Okay folks, I couldn't resist showing this. This is the mill with the completed belt drive conversion. I didn't track how long it took me exactly. I just took my time, probably 20 minutes, half an hour at the most, and it went very smoothly. A couple of things that I did notice that apparently they haven't fixed yet. The drawbar, whatever you call that thing, the stop rod if you will, it's too big, and I mean this is the stock one that came with the unit, and it doesn't fit in there in that hole. So you can use something else, obviously a smaller rod of steel, but kind of a drag that they haven't fixed that yet. And the only other thing, oh yeah, for and the instructions talk about this, that some of the motor bolts use it uses a short flathead screw in here, so that I had to save and reuse the flathead Phillips head flathead screws that secure the motor plate to the motor. The like I said, the instructions talk about that. These were the ones, the flathead with the socket head for a hex key. Those were the ones that should have been used for it, but they're too long, so I ended up reusing the ones that I took off. Here's what I'm talking about, that held the motor right, if you can see where my finger is here, over here, these 4 holes, that's what held the motor onto the original cast iron plate. So there's the original cast iron plate that I took off, the original gear that was on the motor, the plastic gear that goes on top of the assembly that that drives the gears down below. This is a little, I'll save all this stuff just in case I ever wanted to go back to the other way. And these are the screws that held it down, held the plate down to the top of the unit. But all in all, pretty good. Little, just a good word to the wise to make sure as you take it apart, you save those parts. So here we go, let me turn it on. You can hear the cooling fan running, and it's fairly quiet. There's a high-pitched whine from the motor, a little DC motor. But it is nice having a belt drive, very much. I like, nearly all my machines have belt drives. Even my Bridgeport at home has a belt drive. It's a variable speed. It has a huge belt. You should see this thing. So anyway, I'm pleased to have that, and I'm looking forward to someday getting a chance to use this mill for something. I had completely forgotten. I got this off of eBay. Let me show you. This is a cool thing. It's an ER25 set that I think Micromark makes, and somebody was selling it on eBay for about half of the standard price from Micromark, so I picked it up, and it's held in place with this drawbar. The reason I have these laying in the top drawer right here, excuse me, I had to take them out, of course, before I did the adjustments to the drive system. Here's the actual kit itself, ER25. So it had that R8 shank, and then it has all these little ER25 collets. So pretty handy thing. Good quality drill chuck. And that's the wrap. Thanks for watching, everybody. Neil, your machine is looking good. I haven't used it to make anything yet, but I'm excited about it, and I'm looking forward to making it happen. Thanks for watching. I'll keep you posted.